Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I have this integral to work on. It's the integral of 3x power minus 4 times in brackets 2 plus 4x power minus 3 all raised to the power minus 7 dx. Now the approach is to combine this term with that term. You will understand why shortly. Let's capture the integral first, exactly how it is. So it's the integral of 3x power minus 4 times in brackets 2 plus 4x power minus 3 all raised to the power minus 7 dx. I was saying this is the same as the integral of 2 plus in brackets 4x power minus 3 all raised to the power minus 7 times 3x power minus 4 dx. Fantastic. Now the reason why I'm doing this is because now we can use substitution directly as follows. Let u be equal to 2 plus 4x power minus 3, and differentiating u with respect to x, du dx is equal to derivative of 2 is 0 is a constant. Remember 2 is a constant and derivative of a constant is 0. Differentiating this, we have to use power rule there. It's 4 times minus 3x power minus 3 minus 1. And what are we saying? We're saying du dx is equal to minus 12x power minus 4. Now we have to multiply by dx both sides. So this implies du is equal to minus 12x power minus 4 dx. Now if you look at this term here, we have 3x power minus 4 dx. So I'm going to have to divide by minus 4 both sides here, or multiply by minus a quarter. So this is the same as minus a quarter du is equal to 3x power minus 4 dx. Nice. This expression is exactly that expression there. Now our integral here therefore is transformed as follows. We change that integral to, if you allow me to capture the integral exactly how it is, in our second step, I'm talking about this one here. If I capture that again, we are saying the integral of open brackets 2 plus 4x power minus 3 all raised to power minus 7 times 3x power minus 4 dx. Therefore this one here is transformed as follows. This is equal to the integral of u power minus 7. In place of this, I'm going to have minus a quarter du, as you can see here. As you can see there, let me move this one down. As you can see here, that this must be replaced by that. Now let's take a minus a quarter out because it's a constant. Minus 1/4 times the integral of u power minus 7 du. We're going to use power rule here. This is the minus a quarter times u power minus 7 plus 1 all over minus 7 plus 1, and then plus c, because we're dealing with an indefinite integral again, like in the previous video. Now simplifying this, we're going to have minus a quarter of u power minus 6 over minus 6 plus c. Now remember, these two will give you 1 over 24. 1 over 24 u power minus 6, and then we have to say plus c. But we have to revert to our original variable. What is u with respect to x, or in connection with x? This is the expression. So we have to take this and put it in that place. So therefore we are saying, remember, it's 2 plus 4x power minus 3. So this, as our final solution, is going to be equal to 1 over 24 open brackets 2 plus, remember I said 2 plus 4x to power minus 3. 4x power minus 3, the whole of this has to be raised to the power minus 6, and then we have to say plus c. So this is our final solution to our integral. I hope you found that this integral useful. Tell me what you think. What would you have done to come up with this solution? All right, I'll see you in the next one.